Here's how I saved enough money to buy my first home and put down a 20% deposit, which, by the way, isn't required, although most people think, look at that, I just hit my head, that you need 20% down to buy a home. It's not true. The average first-time home buyer only puts 6% down, and the average repeat buyer does 16%. So here we are, we're in the attic of a home that I have going into escrow today. And so I lived in this attic for a year and a half, almost 2 years, right in this small space right here. So what I did is I exchanged my services working around the house for rent while I saved $50,000 by the time I was 20 years old. By the way, check out this attic. I mean, he's a bike guy, expert mountain bike or BMX rider, and pretty much an expert senior mountain bike rider. I'm going to build a bike through here because a lot of these parts are going to be donated or given away. But this is a full 700 square foot walk-through attic. It was a fun way to spend my late 19s and early 20s living for exchange of my labor around the house to save enough to, again, buy my first home.